My name is Sean. I've been natural my whole life. I don't really think I have any hair challenges right now. I usually just wear my hair out or like just curl it up.
Hey you guys, I'm usually behind the camera and not in front of the camera. For those of you all who don't know me, my name is Brianna Lene and I am here at Miche. I do a lot of things, one of them being a videographer and the editor here, work in the marketing department. So a lot of things that you see is because of me. Miche Monday is our weekly live hair demo where we show you how to get the healthiest hair using all Miche Beauty products.
So I'm Tiffany. If you don't know me, I own Beware Cosmetology in Bowie, Maryland. On Instagram, you can find me at b_wear_cosmetology, and on Facebook, b_wear cosmetology.
Tiffany is just going in with some warm water to kind of rinse the hair and get rid of any of the previous product buildup, just to dissolve it some, break it up some before going in with some shampoo. First product that we're going to be going in with is our Detox Clarifying Shampoo. All right, so our Detox Clarifying Shampoo is great to use to help really get a deep cleanse on your hair to help remove any buildup. You know, it's great to go in with a clarifying shampoo.
A lot of people, especially with curly hair, tend to put product on their hair every day. And that creates, you know, a layer over your hair strands and your cuticles. So detoxing helps to lift all of the product buildup to make sure that you're getting a thorough cleanse. You want to scrub a little and then pull your fingers out. And this helps to alleviate tangling, so your detangling process is much more easy.
So Sean did go in and wash his hair yesterday, and you definitely can tell because of the lather. Now when you have a lot more buildup on your hair, maybe the first time around you're wondering, why didn't I get that lather that I wanted? Well, you might need to go in with a second wash, and that's why Detox is good. It really helps to remove all that previous buildup. So now we're going in with our Prime Smoothing and Detangling Conditioner.
So generally when I apply any product, I like to massage it through, make sure that it's really getting inside the cuticles to really reach the inner layer of the hair strands.
Does he have high porosity, low porosity? What?
It's about medium.
Medium porosity,
Yeah.
Okay. What would you say are some helpful tips for people who may have medium porosity? Is there anything special that they should be doing when working in product?
Generally, for any porosity, you want to massage the product in the hair. And since medium porosity is, you know, quote unquote normal, it's generally balanced, so there's nothing too specific that you need to do. When detangling, what I have found works the best, you know, for me and takes less time to detangle is kind of just pulling through and seeing where the hair stops. You hold it at that point and then you brush through the ends until you can get all the way through smoothly.
Yes.
And you just continue that motion, pulling and well, combing through until you feel like a stop or a break, a pause. Brush through the ends, and you'll find that as you continue to do the same motion and technique, it'll get easier to be able to pull the brush all the way through.
So now we are going to be going in with our Boost Hydrating Leave-In and Curl Refresher Spray.
So what I'm doing is, as I'm spraying, I'm lifting up the hair because you guys know that you have to do that to get really in between. And I just want to make sure that the product is getting through his whole head.
Our Bounce Curl Defining Cream. This product is designed to be used as a one and done product. It's great for your braid outs, it's great for twist outs, your perm rod sets. Like, this product really will give you a nice hold without the crunch, and of course there is no residue.
You twist the hair as you're twisting, and that helps you get a tighter grip with the hair strands, which creates more definition.
Okay, so the twist and twist method.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Let me go slower. So you take the hair strands, twist them, wrap them around each other, twist, and then wrap around.